Freed, Catherine Lee Bates took a train trip to Colorado Springs and was so inspired in her journey. I can't see my words. So inspired on her journey by the beauty of America, she immediately wrote the words to America the Beautiful. The music by Samuel Ward, who was a church organist, was added later.
Adding technology to our music curriculum, the students all illustrate on the computer a phrase from America the Beautiful. Photos of students and poses were taken on a blue screen, then added to the illustrations. A competition for the illustrations that best displayed the song were held, to now be presented to you, the audience. A song that has lyrics which will forever be